homie. All right, guys, so we got the truck back, finally out the shop. Took 2 months, but it's out. It's not a good day to be out. Kind of a little wet, so can't really do much with the truck besides drive it calmly on the way home. Like I said, I did go E85, so we're out here pumping gas now. I got about an hour and a half drive, so like I said, it's a wet day, so trying to keep it real calmly. Hopefully in the next couple days it gets a little dry so we could go for some decent pulls. So the guy at the shop told me my transmission's not gonna hold up. I need a transmission and a drive shaft. So I'm expecting my truck to break down pretty soon. Bummer. All right, guys, here we go. Got a full tank. Should be enough to get home, I'm hoping. Like I said, it's a wet day, so I'm not really on the gas. Never had a truck boosted like this before. Oh yeah, man, this thing's a lot stronger than when it was stock. I'll tell you that much. I haven't even full throttle and this shit just feels torquey. So the shop threw a muffler on there right now. It's just a temporary muffler. I'm planning on going to the muffler shop hopefully tomorrow. Yeah, I'll buy it tomorrow. Get a different setup. Not sure what I want to get yet, but I'll make up my mind once I'm there. Scared to give it a pull in this rain. It's been raining for like the past 3 days. It's supposed to rain for a good while. But man, this truck feels healthy. Sounds good, feels good. Woo. Excited, excited. No effort. No effort. Doing 100 like nothing. I'm not even. Oh, this truck would never do that. Hey guys, so it's the next day. We made it home last night safely, and we're gonna be heading to the muffler shop. I just wanted to get a little look around and also a cold start with that whatever setup it's got right now. And I don't know how I'm gonna run the mufflers yet. I'm thinking of going in front of the tire, in front of the rear tire, so I don't know yet. We're gonna get some opinions over there at the muffler shop. But yeah, she's finally out. Let's get a cold start. I haven't even heard a cold start yet. way to the muffler shop. See how different it sounds. So we made it to the muffler shop. It's called the Pete Mufflers. Bought this bitch to get a muffler set up. Still don't know what mufflers I'm gonna run. I was texting Trump. I don't like him, but I was texting him. What happened? Turbo? Yeah. I barely got it out the shop yesterday. I mean, I'm kind of scared in the rain, but
yeah, it's not a good idea.
It's torquey as fuck. That one just got a muffler in. That charger. Esa madre, like for now and shit, you know. So what I wanted to do is I kind of wanted to keep this shit, pero no me gusta que está muy abajo. I don't know if you could like cut it and then like move it up a little bit, you know, just a little bit, you know, para clear the fucking, you know. And then I don't know what you think, what kind of muffler I should run, fool.
You want it like quiet?
Kind of loud, pero tampoco not too loud, you know.
Métele un bullet como el que vamos a poner ahorita. See? That's packing stuff straight through the design.
And that's pretty loud or what?
Yeah. If I can go something louder, but if I go something louder, it's not going to be a difference in like a cutout and that because you're only talking about this much of piping.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So if you open the cutout, you open the muffler,
okay.
So
okay. Alright, let's do that then. Okay. ¿Cuánto por ese?
It's $100 right now.
Okay.
Y luego para acomodarte todo el show y hacerte la pipa ahí.
What do you think? What do you think I should do with la pipa? Because I don't know how to run it. I don't really. I don't know. Do you think I should run it to the side or?
I think no, right here is cool. Como está bajita la troca.
Dump it.
Yeah, but just go a longer dump. Longer dump,
Okay.
and then do this whole section right here. Cut this section right here. Redo it right here. Avíntale unos. Te hago todo para ti con 140 para que veas.
¿Neta?
Yeah, contigo.
Okay. Let's do that then.
Ya está.
Okay. Ahí estamos, Tupita. Gracias,
Straight back.
There's just smoke back there in the tires. That shit's insane. Never been able to do this on this truck, especially moving that fast. fucking control it yet.
Here.